Hello, today I want to show you the latest update for Capture One, which is the match look feature. This is a really cool upgrade if you really like color correction, or if you are starting to understand how it works, because it will basically help you create a look based in any image that you give to Capture One, and then you can apply it to the rest of your gallery. For this test, I will show you with one of my photos that I took in Fuji Pro H400. So this image is a film photography in 35 millimeters, and I will give it to Capture One so it can grab the colors and the feel and look of this image so I can apply it to other ones. So you just need to grab the photo you want to be inspired from and put it right here, and then it will show you what is doing to get the look. So that's really cool too. And you can select to apply it as a new layer, which I recommend, so you can edit the intensity of how it's going to be applied. And after that, you just select apply. So as you can see, this is like really getting the green tones, the faded look, and it's actually really good. And I'm gonna show you something really nice as well from this, is that you can tone it down or put it up and actually edit what's going on in your image. You can also see all of the things Capture One did to get this look, which is the part that I really think it's great for learning and understanding color correction. So here I can just edit a bit more, tweak it a bit more. And this is really different from presets or styles, because if you want to apply the look to another photo, it will actually apply it thinking about the differences on this photo, because it's like really different light setting and all, so you can see how it adjusts automatically. And I don't really have to move the exposure or anything unless I want to. And of course the grain you add it yourself. I always do when I want this like film look over here. If you know this couple, you can tag them and I'll send them their photo. So we can just see another test here. I selected really green photos so we can actually see if this works. Oh, we have a guy over here. Yeah, so for me it has been a really nice upgrade in Capture One. It helps me out understand how color works, especially with film photography, which I really like the tones of, and not just like grab or buy a preset or a style and just paste it in. Just actually like seeing what's going on here helps me a lot. Let's see what happens with this one. So we can see the before and after. And if we add grain to it, it will really have this look of film. I know it's not the same and there are a lot of differences between one and the other, but it does give it a different feeling. So I hope you like this, and just leave your thoughts over there. Let's have a conversation about it, and have a good day. Bye.